Hello guys, it's Esosa here. Today we are making geisha Nigerian jollof rice without roasting my vegetables in the oven. One of the secrets of a tasty Nigerian jollof rice is concentrated meat stock. First, I am going to parboil my chicken. For this recipe, I am using chicken drumstick. First, I will add some seasoning cube, some curry powder, dried rosemary, some dried parsley, oregano seasoning, some chicken seasoning, ginger powder, garlic powder, dried shallot seasoning, salt, bay leaves, some chopped onions. I'll stir that nicely, allow to cook for about 3 minutes before adding water. Next, I'll add some water. Cover with a lid and allow to cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, guys, I will transfer it to my air fryer to grill for 15 minutes. For this recipe, I used 7 fresh tomatoes, 2 red bell peppers, 1 long bell pepper, 2 onions, 4 scotch bonnet peppers, five garlic cloves, a knob of ginger. Next, I will transfer the veggies into a pot and then add some cooking oil. After cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, guys, I will continue stirring and allow to cook for another 7 minutes. Allow to cool down a bit and then I will transfer into a blender. Blend until smooth. For this recipe, I'm using basmati rice. Just so you know, I use 10 cups of basmati rice. Next, I will add half cup of vegetable oil to a pot. Add some chopped onions and 1 cup of tomato paste. I will stir fry for 45 minutes until the red vibrant color of the tomato paste changes from red to this. So next I'll add the blended tomatoes and pepper. Next I'll add the chicken broth. And the washed rice. Stir until well combined. Add 3 cups of water. Next, I will add a can of geisha. Add some seasoning cubes, some salt, curry powder, bay leaves. I'll give that a good mix. Cover with foil paper. I use foil paper just so the heat will be trapped inside the rice, okay? Because for party jollof rice, you don't need too much water. All you need is heat. Once you cover the pot with the foil paper, the heat will be trapped inside the rice. By so doing, helps the rice cook very quickly. At this point, the rice is not well cooked. Next, I will add 4 spoonfuls of salted butter. Some chopped onions. Add some fresh tomatoes. cover with foil paper the second time to cook for another 15 minutes. You guys, after 15 minutes, guys, my geisha Nigerian jollof rice is ready. Absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share my videos. Thank you for doing that. I will see you in my next video. Always stay fabulous and remain blessed. Thank you. Bye.